Today, we're diving into the story of a city known for its dramatic contrasts, Liverpool. It's famous for its incredible journey from a global shipping giant to a modern cultural powerhouse. But as we'll see, underneath that shiny new surface, there's a much more complicated reality, one that really tells a tale of two very different cities living side by side. So that brings up a huge question. How does a city that was once defined by a single powerful industry totally reinvent itself for a new era? That's really the core question we're digging into. And Liverpool's journey, well, it offers a fascinating and pretty complicated set of answers. I mean, just look at the contrast. On one side, you have the past. Liverpool, the industrial heart of a massive global shipping empire. And on the other, the present. This vibrant hub for tourism, music, and culture. It's a huge shift from an economy built on goods to one built on experiences. Okay, so first up, how did a city that was really on the brink of decline manage to completely turn things around? So what's actually powering this massive change? Well, the answer really lies in this powerful new economic engine, and it's one that's fueled almost entirely by tourism and culture. And if you want to understand the sheer scale of this success, just look at this number, 60 million. That's how many visitors the city now attracts every single year. It's a truly staggering figure. And what's the economic impact of all those visitors? How about £4 billion? That's how much money they bring into the local economy annually. You see, this isn't just a little boost. It's become the very foundation of the city's modern prosperity. So what's bringing everyone in? Well, it's this really powerful mix. You've got the spectacularly redeveloped Albert Dock, world-class museums, and of course, that undeniable magnetic pull of its music heritage. I mean, come on, the Beatles. All of that together supports thousands and thousands of jobs in hotels, restaurants, and shops. But here's the thing. It would be a huge mistake to think this revival is only about tourism. The city has been really smart about diversifying. Its universities, like the University of Liverpool, are huge economic players, and they're creating a really skilled workforce. Plus, a growing digital sector is adding a whole other layer to this success story. But this is where the story takes a really sharp turn. Because behind all that glittering success, a very different reality exists. It's this tale of two Liverpools, and it reveals a stark contrast that's hiding just out of sight. Research on the city's transformation really puts it bluntly. While some parts of the city have been completely reborn, quote, others remain among the most deprived in the UK. That one sentence right there, it just perfectly captures the core tension of modern Liverpool. And you can literally see this divide in the city's landscape. On one side, you have the gleaming, regenerated waterfront. It's the symbol of the new Liverpool. But go just a short distance away and you'll find inner-city neighborhoods like Anfield and Toxteth that are still grappling with much higher unemployment. It's like two different worlds existing right next to each other. But this inequality isn't the only challenge on the table. You see, rapid growth creates its own set of problems, which brings us to the hidden costs of this whole revival, the pressures of progress. And these pressures are really showing up in three key areas. Take housing. You've got this dual problem of poor quality housing in some areas, while rising prices are making it a real struggle to afford a place elsewhere. For transport, a heavy reliance on cars is creating major congestion in the city center. And environmentally, all that traffic drives up air pollution and creates huge challenges with waste. And to make that environmental point really concrete, get this. In some parts of Liverpool, the concentration of nitrogen dioxide from all that traffic pollution has now climbed above the officially recognized safe limits. This is a direct, tangible health cost that comes with the city's progress. So, the big question is, what's the path forward? This brings us to our final section. Is there a blueprint for balance? We're looking at Liverpool's ongoing challenge to try and square its incredible success with the very real need for fairness and sustainability. Now, the city's response has followed a pretty clear strategy. First, regenerate those key former industrial areas, turning them into economic assets. Second, invest in the infrastructure and public services you need to attract business and just improve life for everyone. And third, begin the really difficult work of directly addressing those deep-seated challenges in housing and inequality, though there's still a lot of work to be done there. When you step back, Liverpool is this powerful, real-world case study of what urban reinvention looks like. It's a city that is, at the exact same time, celebrating a remarkable new chapter of success while still grappling with the ghosts of its old, stubborn inequalities. And this leaves us with a final, provocative thought, one that really applies to growing cities all over the world. When you strip it all down, can we really call urban regeneration a true success if it leaves so many people behind? That's the question right at the heart of Liverpool's story, and it's one for all of us to think about.